So I'm getting ready. Then I just decided, oh, let me record this because I'm about to do individual eyelashes. Please don't mind the mess going on in my head. Like I said, I'm about to get going somewhere. So I did my edges. If you want to a video, look up. Just bringing you very close, very personal, so that you guys can see. Oh wait, let me show you what I'm using first. So this is the eyelash glue, guys, and this is the most important part of this tutorial. Otherwise, like, there's no point. So I think I bought this glue for like 100 rand or less. I'm not sure because I bought it a long time ago. You don't even use a lot of it. It lasts a while, so it's very worth it. And then the lashes, you can get any individual lashes, but then these ones are the ones I use. They're the 10 millimeters ones. And I usually use one line for both of my eyes. And when I put these lashes, they usually last me up to like 3 weeks. Then a tweezer. So this is going to be a very short in and out tutorial because I am rushing somewhere. So now I'm going to bring it close so that you can perfectly see what's going on. And yeah, so obviously the first thing you want to do is to like have a clean face. I've already done my skincare. My eyes are clean. They're not oily, because if it's oily, if your eyelids are very oily, like oil-based products, it means that you are going to have difficulty sticking your lashes to your eyelids, and that's not what we want. So I do have a mirror down here, and I hope you can see. So I mean, the reason why I wanted to put individual lashes is because I still have like 2 on the side and they won't come off. So you take your lashes, what you do, you take your lashes, then using your tweezer, right, you carefully pick, you want to like grab it after the little dot, right? And you have to be very careful about this because this can ruin eyelashes. So this is how I grab it. Like if you grab it anyhow, it can like undo the whole knot and then it won't work. Then you just pull it gently, right? So as you can see, this is what the eyelash looks like. So what you want to do is like hold it. After pulling it out, you want to hold it by the feathery end, right? Like this. Hold it by the feathery end. Then there's a big glue. So what you want to do, right, is tilt the glue, right? Then you're just going to dip in the glue, like a little bit, not even a lot, guys, right? See how there's like a small dot of glue at the end of the lash. So with other glues, right, I know you have to like wait a bit for them to become tacky, but then with this one you really don't have to. You can just go straight into it, whatever works for you, right? So I'm just gonna go straight into it. I mean, I've already waited, but like the glue still works either way. So I usually start at the end of my eyes. So okay, I'm gonna show you and not talk about it as much. Right? I hope that was a perfect shot. So I alternate my eyes, obviously, because I want to get the same amount of lashes on each eye. So after I'm done making sure that this eyelash is like stuck and not going anywhere. I will do the same thing with the lash carefully. Dip it into some glue. I know it doesn't make sense right now, but the more you put on, the more pretty it looks. Wasn't so difficult, was it? So you have to use the butt side of your tweezer to kind of fix it if it goes wrong. Usually after I do my lashes, I do my eyebrows, my eyes. It used to be painful. I mean, it still is painful, but now it's like tolerable pain. If you want a proper eyebrow grooming video, let me know in the comments. Like we said, we are going to communicate, right? So I'm gonna finish this off cam, then come back. This is the final result. Like, I'm coming close so that you guys can see the eyes. They look so good, so natural. Like, you can't even tell. You can see my eyes, how they look. Super cute, right? Yeah. This is the complete look, by the way. See, from here you can't even tell that I have eyelashes on. And good thing about it, I'm not even going to have to wash it off, right? Don't you want this for yourself? Like, don't you want this for yourself? Bye.